My name is Adam Hill. I'm originally from Huddersfield in the UK, and I now teach Year 4 in Hong Kong, and I'm also head of year. I'm really excited to submit my application for Google Certified Trainer because I absolutely love G Suite tools. I love integrating educational technology into my class, in particular Google. By embracing the G Suite apps, I've been able to transform the learning that happens in my classroom. I've seen huge benefits to students, and that's why I'm such a vocal and proud ambassador of Google, and I really enjoy sharing it with other teachers. I was one of few teachers in my school to first embrace technology, and in particular G Suite, and I was one of the first to take the Level 1 Google Certified Educator exam. A few months later, I enjoyed it so much and I enjoyed integrating it so much that I took Level 2. And since then I've become the kind of go-to guy in my school for help, support, and any advice relating to Google. Over the past few years, I've been training my colleagues both in school and around the region, both informally and formally. The feedback has always been positive, and I know that these teachers have gone on to integrate technology into their own classes. We're benefiting more and more students, and that's why it's such a rewarding feeling for me, and I'm absolutely thrilled to submit my application. I'd like to show you how Google Forms can be used to provide instant feedback to students. So this would replace traditional testing and the hours of marking that have traditionally gone into this. So this straight away could get some reluctant teachers on board. Straight away they can see the benefits because they're going to save a lot of time, and instead they can spend their time on activities that are going to provide more impact. So instead of mindlessly marking, they can be thinking about interventions or extensions. They can actually analyze the data instead of just ticking and crossing. And also, when students get their feedback immediately, it's a lot more impactful. With traditional marking, students can wait days or even weeks for any feedback, by which point it's lost its impact. So I've created a very basic survey here with 3 questions, and I've used the multiple choice question type. But right now it's just a survey for collecting data. If I go to the settings menu and click on the quizzes tab, I can make this into a quiz. So now it's not just about collecting data, it actually shows correct and incorrect answers. And because I've done that, I now have an answer key for each question. I can select the correct answer and award a given amount of points if students select that, in this case 1 point. But more than that, more than just saying right or wrong, I can actually give written feedback, and it will appear to students immediately. So if they give me an incorrect answer, they will see this message. What I could also do here is provide a link, which is very powerful if I can find a website that would support them in getting the correct answer. I could also give feedback for correct answer. And this is a great place to add extension questions or any other feedback that will get them thinking further. With Google Forms, I always like to see what it looks like to the people who are receiving it. So I use this preview icon. This is what it will look like to students. You can see I've started to award points here. I'll just show you what this looks like. Here's the correct answer. Submit. And this is what the students will see. They can view their score and get the feedback straight away. It's green, they can see that it's correct, and here's my immediate feedback.